tongue could never tell your name. Luang Prabang beneath the golden flame, where the monk's soft chants drift through dawn, and time itself just lingers on. The river hums its ancient rhyme, whispering peace beyond the line of time. Each breath of wind, each bell that rings, carries the truth that silence sings. Not by wealth, not by crown, but by hearts that never let love drown. In gentle eyes I see your grace, a quiet light the world can't replace. A single song can't hold Luang Prabang. The Buddha's voice still echoes strong. 1,000 years and yet it stays the same soft light, the same old praise. A single song can't hold Luang Prabang. Through fading nights and breaking dawn, the melody flows from past to now, and time will always take a bow. One line could never say it all. The golden roofs, the evening's call, the children's laughter, rivers gleam, all blur between the real and dream. You teach that kindness is the art that builds a temple in the heart, and every prayer that drifts above is just another word for love. Sabayi, Sabayi, your soul. In every drum, in every stroll, your ancient songs still softly rise through humble hearts, through open skies. A single song can't hold Luang Prabang. The Buddha's voice still echoes strong. 1,000 years and yet it stays the same soft light, the same old praise. A single song can't hold Luang Prabang. Through fading nights and breaking dawn, the melody flows from past to now, and time will always take a bow. So let the river sing again, let silence speak of where we've been. The world will change, but not this sound, this peace that circles all around. Through every prayer, through every gong, you live forever in this song. A single song can't hold Luang Prabang, but still we sing, we carry on. Through every heart your spirit runs, through every dawn your golden sun. A single song can't hold Luang Prabang, yet here we are, we still belong. Yeah, your song is pure, your song is kind, the voice of faith through humankind. The song of Luang Prabang, so simple yet profound, a beauty that needs no words, but still we sing along.